Welcome guys, today we are doing an unboxing, very exciting, the Breville Hot Wok and Steam. We chose this beauty because we are due for a new electric wok and it has some awesome key features, least of which is size and heat conduction. But let's get into unboxing it. We were due for a new electric wok and our old one was dying. Mind you, it was over 20 years old. And so we did a little bit of research and we chose the Breville for a couple of reasons. Now the Breville is one of the few that has a lot of space. It's got 8-litre bowl, which is probably the biggest bowl you can buy. The other thing is that it steams as well. It has a gorgeous steaming plate, which we really like, although it's not the primary reason why we chose it. The other primary reason why we chose it is because I don't know if you've ever used a wok, you often get the heat on the bottom and then the sides are quite cool, particularly with the electric. This one actually has extra rings up the side, so you get a more all over even cooking. So I'm looking forward to using that. But let's get into the box itself. Very sturdy box, guys. This is not going anywhere, and it also comes with a handle that makes it easy to move around. Now, some of the features I mentioned before, it has a large capacity, 8 litres. It also has that high wall heat with a few extra conducting electric elements throughout it. It's a 2400 watt unit, so it's super powerful, so you can get it really hot and smoky. It also does have variable temperature settings, which is great, you need that. And the other thing is the surface is actually Pfoa free, which is really important if you're concerned about your health and the surfaces of your cooking instruments. So let's peek inside. Very well made box, very sturdy, and we've got some foam protection. Oh, okay, this is one of those sort of units that you have to slide out because it's protected. I don't know about you, but I don't mind struggling with the packaging if I know it's well protected. Styrofoam protective case. Great. And then the first thing we get to is our steamer. Look how big this bowl is. It is massive. Wowee. That's some serious dumpling action. Huge. I love that. I love that you can steam a massive quantity of veggies for guests. That is so cool. All right, what else have we got? The lid, which is a glass lid. Again, love it. Want to see what you're doing? Fantastic. We have a 12-month replacement warranty, very important, and an instruction booklet on how to use it. And a couple of little recipes on the back. And now this is the bowl. Nothing else underneath. Let's get rid of this styrofoam. Oh, yes there is. Gotta fire it up somehow. All right, power cord. And on the power cord is the actual settings. All right, so our controls have minimum, keep warm, caramelize, simmer, steam, saute, and stir fry. That's really clever that they've done it that way and not just 1 to 10, because you never quite know what 1 to 10 means, so I really like that. And then the bowl itself, it is quite heavy. So there's an unlock button here. Let's see what happens when you unlock. Okay. Yeah, it does too. You can clean it and then you can get around it, which is really good. Obviously, you always have to be careful with the electrical point when you're washing, but that does make it a lot easier when you can get around, because I don't know if you've ever noticed when you use the wok, sometimes stuff can get around the side. So let's just lock that back in. And this is going to go in there. And let's see the steamer inside it. Isn't that huge? Fantastic. Love it. I'm so looking forward to trying this out. And it has a lovely, you know what I like about this is it is a traditional wok shape. It's not a fry pan with a little bit of a lip. It actually has that real spherical kind of wok shape, which is beautiful. So that's it, guys. We've got our base, we've got our steamer, we've got our lid, we've got our electricity supply and our warranty. Pretty straightforward, very sturdy unit. Looking forward to getting into that and trying it out, and we'll bring you a review of it shortly. Hope you've enjoyed that unboxing. I'm a bit excited. See you guys later.